Raven. Welcome back to the Nest. What I have for you all today is a dead snowball update as well as a check-in on my investment accounts. Now, I haven't done an investment account update probably in a month and a half. I won't say a month and a half, maybe a little over a month, maybe not quite a month and a half, but and I believe the last dead snowball update I did was roughly two and a half weeks ago. So if you are interested in seeing this update, stay tuned. Alrighty, so what I have here on the screen is basically a look back from August when I did my original investment kind of overview. And this is from my Vanguard account. You can't really see the picture very well because I had to crop it in order to get it to show big enough. So like I said, this is my Vanguard 401k account. And the balance as of 8/7, which I think I did my investment video or maybe a couple of days after this, not too long after this. The balance then was $10,897.66. Now, this is my 401k account that I have with my current employer. So this is really my only, I would say, retirement-based investment account. And I've also, I always want to preface this with saying that that balance included a 401k loan, which I mean, the balance still includes a 401k loan, but the way that Vanguard does it is that they include in any type of loan that you've taken out against your account, because in a sense, when you're paying the loan back, you're paying yourself back. So with that loan, which right now the balance of it is roughly a little bit over $1,000 right now. So when I'm making those payments to that every pay period, I'm essentially paying myself back with interest. And that loan is a part of my debt snowball. I just haven't made it to that debt yet. So again, like I said, my balance as of August was $10,897.66. So we will move over to the next screenshot where you will see my balance as of, I think like maybe the 18th, I believe. I think it's the 8th. I think it was close of business the 18th. So we're going to switch on over to that screenshot now. And here we are, my new balance as of September 18th, which was roughly 2 days before shooting this video. Our new balance is at $11,502.02. And again, like I mentioned, this does include roughly $1,000 for a 401k loan. So they include that in the balance because, like I said, I'm paying myself back. So then we will move over to the next screenshot, which is just a, here we go. Yep, there it is. I'm like, where's the screenshot? This is just basically a layout of what my investment mix is for my account. So it's 90% stocks and then it's 10% bonds. And there are no short-term reserves. I am not a financial, money account guru. That is not something that I do. So I'm not sure what a short-term reserve is. I probably could look that up, but I'm not sure what that is. All right, and next we're going to move over into my personal investment account. Now, I'm currently using the Stash app, and it's been working pretty good for me so far. I do have a Robinhood account, but I actually moved all of my funds from Robinhood over to Stash. This was sometime last year, and then the money just kind of sat really honestly before I repurchased stocks and kind of did all of that. But I started investing consistently in this account. I believe it was maybe in December or it was either December 2019 or January 2020 where I actually started purchasing stocks with the money I pulled from Robinhood and into this, and then I started consistently adding money every 2 weeks. My balance as of a month, like I said, a little over a month and a half ago, was at $831.77, and that gave me a cash return of $271.77. So we will now move over into what the current balance is and what that is looking like. So Stash has had some updates to their app. So the layout of their app is different. So my current balance is $1,008.12, and it sort of shows you like milestones that you're hitting. So I've hit a couple of milestones, and then my next milestone will be when my account reaches $2,500. So now we're going to move over into what our return is in the next screenshot. All right, so basically my return, which is the money that I have earned as far as my stocks, is $363.12. So in a sense, I've roughly put about a little under $700 of my own money into this account, and then the $363 is what my stocks have earned in total. So next screenshot, I'm going to show a little bit of my mix as far as my stocks. Now, I couldn't get this to roll correctly to show everything, but in a sense, my stocks, I'm invested in single stocks as well as ETFs, which is kind of like a combination of many stocks into like a grouping. But I've invested in Apple, Tesla, Amazon as single stocks, and then I have several ETFs that include many different companies. So now we will get into the debt snowball portion of the video. What I'm showing you now is a screenshot of my Credit One account. Now this is for my second Credit One card. If you've been following me for my last couple of videos, you will know that I have two Credit One accounts. One of them is already paid off, and this is the one that I'm currently working on. When I started working on this card, the balance was at $560.99. So this is my current balance, and where it sits, it is now sitting at $280.99. I started working on this particular card at the beginning of this month, September. So I've made quite a few payments, which I'm going to show you in the next slide. But like I said, my balance now is sitting at $280.99. And here you see the list of payments that I've made so far this month in September. I made a payment of $30 on the 3rd, $150 on the 4th, and then $100 on the 9th. So that is how I got my balance down from $560.99 all the way down to $280.99. So that means I will get to color in several of those little credit cards, which is actually what you're going to see me do in this clip right here. I think I was able to color in a total of 28 of the credit cards, because I signified that each credit card was worth $10. And as a tip from someone on my channel who left someone who left a comment was saying that I should maybe just divide up the icons into the balances that I have. That way the entire page can be filled up, which is actually a pretty smart idea. So that is what I did, which is why each credit card is worth $10. So like I said, I will get to color in 280 of those. Jesus, I get to color in 28 of those, which equals up to my $280 worth of payments. And this portion is actually going to be sped up, so that's why I'm moving kind of fast. And the reason why I'm doing a voiceover for this instead of showing you, actually talking during the video, I actually did record the video that way, but all of my audio was lost. I don't understand what happened. I don't know if maybe my mic was partially plugged in, or maybe, I don't know, because there was no audio. I don't know what happened. So that is what happened there. But if you watched my previous video, I think it was my budget with me for paycheck budget number 2. I sort of kind of have a plan on what I'm going to be doing in the month of October to address more of my debt. I have some interesting things going on with finances. So of course, you all should definitely stay tuned if that is something you are interested in seeing. So now that we have all of our credit cards filled in, that's pretty much half of the page gone there. So I'll be very excited towards the end of this month to color in the rest of it, because that is definitely my plan, is to have this particular credit card paid off by the end of the month. So again, as always, if you all enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more of my content. Thanks, guys. Peace.